no double plates at all.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence. But they are the venue for the sound system roll call. This time, my sound is not here. Hot Stepper sound is not here. Sequence and Hot Stepper not here. So we have Martel, the mixer, with Delta Force, New Wave, Oneness, and someone else. Who else? And Intensity. So we're here in the parking lot. I think two of the sounds are already here. New Wave and Martel, the mixer. So I'm going to go up and show in a while, go and catch a little bit of the setup and thing. Yes, sir.
Blessings are Soundman Life.
Yeah, Martel, the mixer, Delta Force. Where's the papa?
King Arthur. Original King Arthur that.
King Arthur. Yeah,
From Steel and days, you know.
Original. Yeah, man, we know man.
See there?
Yeah. So this is Martel, Delta Force. The marker, my boy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yellow.
The body sound in town.
Yellow, who for sound I work for now? One sound.
Nobody will come out their life tonight.
Yellow, now stop. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. New Wave crew. Yeah. Father Alex.
Yes, it's another day, third Sunday, you know, it's a luxurious ballroom. We're there. I feel like said, trust me, I work clash with it. I'll be a big machine and string up in the place, you know. So guess what? Martel in the place, the Delta Force family, New Wave, Intensity, I'm gonna say Oneness out. So we have Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. So on we reach and come with no money make we help on a county because these are the options today. Look at the sound must string up nice and pretty. Fully air conditioned venue, fully air conditioned. So now you go, fully bar, come out man, everything nice. Security top rock.
Yeah. So this is New Waves column. Yeah. None of my place. What are the plans? Yeah, what I need to bring the thing there. The power supply. Yeah, it's almost 3 now. He needs to get here because you don't know them need the thing. Call them for me. I'll go and do some video. Alright, cool. So this is Oneness sound right here. Father Oneness.
Yes, Oneness to the world.
Yeah. Cargo. The man a situation. Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah, man, me see him already, man.
These are the foundation. This is
Delta
Mania. St. Mary, King Arthur. Belfield. So the man I don't know the man. The man are pioneer in the thing. The man are veteran in the thing. Any man, when it comes to music and don't know the man is uncivilized. The man are the man. And I hear some this evening, so don't come out.
Where you say, Rudy? You're there. Original New Wave. Where New Wave there? In Babylon. So, like you said, this is New Wave's machine. New Wave come early. Set up everything before the rest of the sound them even reach at the venue.
The boss is here.
Yeah, I said, Bobby.
I said, there.
In our place.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah.
Beautiful beautiful people. Happy
Yeah.
Sunday.
New wave, original new wave from Palm Beach.
The thing continue, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Last string up the machine.
Yeah, man. Machine look big and nice. Yeah. So that's new wave with 8 singles. Remember I say it's 8 singles or 4 doubles. So new wave using 8 singles. One is using 4 doubles. One is take my spot.
Only way home.
You know that spot, that's the best spot, don't you? Find your son strong the spot.
Yeah.
At the right spot. Yes, boss man.
I'm just asking your friend over here, is this 1 sound or 2 sound?
That's one.
You gonna play for 4 sound?
That's one.
Yeah. I want sound, but you got no teeth. No teeth.
Sure.
Yeah.
It coming like a sweet pepper, bell pepper.
So
They don't have no bite.
If a guy have 50 bottoms and he come in and he play the bottoms, then they gotta play for everybody else.
There's 8 bottoms. It's eight speakers.
You have
8 speakers maximum.
Oh,
So you
okay,
can use 8 singles or 4 doubles. Like
No matter
O'Neill,
how
Hot
big-
Stepper have 8 singles.
No matter how much space
Yeah, you
occupy.
can pack them up or you can spread them across like that. Like last week O'Neill had his stack.
Don't watch
It
it.
just looks
It
much.
looks massive. It looks massive.
Him like a shooter.
Big. We are Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet. This is Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah.
Alright, they say I sing a buzzy.
Yeah,
Ah,
this is
okay.
the scorpion pepper right here. Yeah.
You know, the long way I like them, you know. So we just want to like yes, sir. I want to
Delta Force.
sympathy.
This is the Scotch. This is the ghost pepper. Scotch bonnet.
You said the ghost pepper.
Yeah, the ghost pepper.
This looks like some old Congo pepper, man. This looks like some old Congo pepper.
See there? Hey, look at this one here. Come here. Look at this one. Look at this one over here. This one is NASA.
Ah, this is Tesla product, man.
Bobby! Look at your Tesla. One of the Bobby sold a Tesla.
Yeah, man, a big thing.
Tesla product.
A big thing. A big thing.
Sure. Bring the amp on.
You good? Oh, okay.
Hey, my amp, we hear that. Ah, that person. 205 amp rock. Heavy.
Yeah? If the impact, if you are old and they get old.
No man, not this amp like people.
Why?
Like people. Like.
You don't know what it's like. How much amp tonight? 7?
No, sir. About 4. 4 amp in there. You have about 20 yards in a feet.
No, me no want. Me no want. This is as I see that.
So you know what I do? Okay, so this is Oneness is amp rack. Yellow, you know what I need? I need a dedicated cameraman. So when my sound is here, I have somebody that can do the videos. You see, now I'm free to do the video how I want it. When I'm singing up my song, I can't do it like that. I need somebody that actually know how to use the shit and do it. The camera, I need a cameraman specifically to do the videos while I'm stringing up. Yeah, see the foot them.
Let us get moving.
So ready.
No, because I put your name on the YouTube, you know?
Yeah, man, Delta Force.
Delta Force.
Make sure.
Yeah.
Delta Force.
Original QSC sound.
It wasn't out in QSC.
Don't know. I mean, there was a time when it was only QSCs. So, I mean, Sequence back in the days was all QSCs.
It was all QSC, yeah.
Yeah, we had the 3000s on the bass and the 4000s on mid bass.
I got you when you used to play a domino club.
Yeah, we used to have a 2 rack full of QSC. Everybody knows that QSC are the real thing. The only thing with them, too fucking heavy though. But
Yeah, they're heavy for move, that's the thing.
they heavy to move, but they still play. They still play though.
I want to say, if the court not strong, and you get them on a little wall,
Then we still play.
they still play like a wall.
Yeah. But them play better with good current though.
They play with a good current, but if you have no
But them can still play.
Yeah.
Unlike the new amp them, because the new amp them, if you not get them power, they not
They're not
play.
play. That's what I'm saying.
Like the amp the one me use CBR, and trust me, if you not get them power, you know.
Them not play.
What? They not get the right kind of playing if you not get them power. Power hungry is a shame.
Come in. Let's get out of this. Alright, that's it.
Bobby New Wave.
Come on. Go down there.
The mark gonna use the lift box, you know, the mark so lift laptop.
See what we don't like, eh?
Yeah.
Kind of, yes.
Yeah, why you think my things that I said? Yeah. Yeah, we can't bother with that.
First stopping box look shabby.
Need some paint through it, boy.
Yes. Them box, man, when you see them, you see pain.
Yeah, man, Philip them got heavy, you know.
Man, two body box, some brother, they're selling them.
These are the original bass reflex.
This is the original Martel the mixer.
Yeah. So these are bass reflex. Them name Buzzy, right?
Rumbler.
Rumbler.
Yeah. These are rumblers.
Rumblers. Okay, so these are the
You call scoop.
Yeah, but those are scoop. I know,
Yeah,
but
yeah, these are Grumbler.
I thought these were called bass reflex, but maybe I'm wrong.
Bass bin?
Bass reflex.
Oh, no.
That's what they use. That's what they used to call them.
That
Bass
could be the
reflex.
proper name, but
Yeah.
we Jamaican call them grumbler.
Grumbler, but these are supposed to be bass reflex.
Yeah.
Original thing.
We're gonna hear the difference between the rumblers
And the bass reflex.
and the bass reflex.
Yeah, those are
scoops.
Those are scoops.
Scoops, yeah.
So everybody else using scoops.
Scoops
Easy.
are deep bass.
Yeah, scoop is a different kind of bass. It's longer throw and things like that. These are bass reflex. These play around bass. Yeah, these are more rubber dub bass.
Rubber dub bass.
Yeah. Original bass reflex. So Buzzy, you have a 15, a 12, and a horn, and 3 tweeters in each box.
Yeah.
Bullets, right?
I fuck you know them bullets not play. They not play.
Are them not playing? It's
No,
just the
man.
horns?
What's the iron? You understand?
Yeah, but I know
You
that. I know.
the same thing to
I know the horns. The horns can play whatever frequency if you have the right horns.
You know, it's a new one. Them the on Twitter.
Yeah, man, the horns
You
can play.
the aluminum.
Yeah, man, the horn them can play any frequency you want. Yeah, you can tune them.
But if you don't,
You
no,
tune
you
them.
see, you can. But you see, if you don't, it's not the aluminum.
If it's not the right horns, I know. You have to have the right horns. Yeah.
Because when you use a paper one, you just play it directly on.
Horn sound. I know.
If you try to go Twitter, it start.
It did start.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You know, design for that. But
Yeah.
when
These can
they
play.
come up with the aluminum diaphragm now, that's where you get.
The tweeter sound. Yeah.
Play it both ways.
A lot of the sounds don't have tweeters. I wasn't using tweeters until recently. I just decided to go with some bullets.
It's alright, right? Put this on? Yeah. Put this alright?
Yeah, see.
Yeah, it's supposed to alright, yeah.
Intensity sound just pull up on the bass. Lowest choice in another place.
Thanks.
Yeah. Intensity the boat.
I was set up already.
Everybody set well. New Wave set up. Oneness setting up. Delta Force setting up. Only Dave left.
Hold on. He's gonna be. Look at this. Open a side. Come on, open a side.
Synergy in the place.
This side.
Using 3 or 4? Using 4, right?
Yeah, 4.
Okay.
Actually, we have 6 of them.
Okay. But in here for now, you use 4.
We need 4, yeah. Yeah, but we don't need it. You don't need about 4 inside. So.
Well, I mean, the requirements are 8 18s and the top end to match. So
Right, yeah.
4 top ends work with the 8 18s. Enforce at the world sound. The world sound.
The video might show now you put it on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Your video soon coming. You know, see, how much video I post this week? I post 4 video this week. And you argue because you want to post it. How much video I post in a 1 week star? I post 4. Yours are come next.
I interview.
Yeah, your son coming next in force, huh? They want big tune up posting video yet. Yeah, hardcore. Oh, yeah, sir. New Wave. That's Oneness. And this is the Delta Force fully set up. So again, this is Delta Force on the corner here. This is New Wave. It's New Wave, and that is Oneness. Saying Oneness are the original big sound around here with the traditional setup. These are double Oneness. Double 18s or double 21s? Double 18s or 21? Double 18s.
18 and 21 in use, yeah? I'm making full up.
It don't make no difference.
So when I feedback some of it turn away from full sound.
I don't know, that's how because I play right there, so I guess he's doing that. But me always over there, so. Chase the engineer.
That's the general.
Respect.
See you later. What are you saying? Just it.
So that's intensity. 4W18s for intensity. 4W18s for Oneness. 8 single 18s for New Wave. 4W18s for Delta Force. Saying can play low still. Let's track
Just
it.
make sure you're
The Delta Force will be starting this thing out first. Delta Force check.
Yeah, man, me up.
You have some different input than them right there, sir?
Ah, man, we get thing good.
They'll come and set up, man.
You think come and set up?
At 25 now to 4, you know.
This man over there,
You know, beat yellow. Yellow, the first man come at 6:30 this morning.
when we come with yellow, when we reach her, yellow wasn't here.
Yeah? Yellow not play, so I'm not going to reach her earlier. When
Yeah,
yellow
that's a
play,
yellow
there before everybody else.
You have too much pass. Oh, Cardo. 4 o'clock. Yeah. 4 o'clock, yeah.
25 more minutes.
At least we know we're playing.
You never know here until you're in happen.
Man can work by himself, eh?
Yes, man. Second ride film.
I know, but not. Then I see Dave never won. I Dave make it. I even see man make it.
Yeah, Dave the second one.
Maybe used to ride film one too. And take off the seat, right?
This is the thing, I don't like the free of them box, the eye box. Yeah. Free of this.
Lazy shit out of
Because I see
I know, right? That shit work though.
That
shit work like a motherfucker.
Tight, and the rope busting up. The band bust and then drop them on people, I don't like them.
Yep. Take time.
Come on. Well, push over.
That works.
One man team.
one man show.
Not even one second, a minute if I had to come away. You know I'll let me go. Anywhere you take me, so listen to me.
Delta forward.
Love has truly been good to me. Not even one second, a minute if I had since I come away. You know I'll let me go. Anywhere you take me, so listen to me, love. I follow you to the moon and sky. I'll follow you, baby. Yeah. I'll go. Got to tell you how you feel me. And maybe as I can be, you are gonna change my world.
Delta force check. First. Truly been good to me. Not even one second, a minute if I had since I come away. You know I'll gladly go. Anywhere you take me, so amazing to me, love. I'll follow you to the moon and sky above. I'll follow you, baby. I'll go. Got to tell you how you feel me.
touch it, it happens. So you can't cut from someone else. I won't buy it.
One to them. All right. Check. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Check. Yeah. I just check it. One. Yeah. Check. Sound check. One. Yeah. Check. Yeah, man. Sound check. One. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Check. You don't have to tell me that your love is true. Just hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, baby. I don't know what to do. But if your love is right, girl, I'm gonna love you through the night.
One, two, some boy needs, some boy needs.
Been a long time coming. You brought my love back to life. Your love is my way. Search the world over. There is no other. I'd rather love you now. Since you came, more than love. You erased all the hurt and the pain I know. And I'm in need of you. Bring me back to life, baby. Your love is the power, baby. Your love.
Yeah, check. Sound testing one. Yeah, alright.
It's been a long time coming. You brought my love back to life. Your love is my way. Search the world
New wave sound. From the way they don't work. You have your phone number way up there, sir. How people if see your phone number way up there, sir? I mean, I'm gonna put it on YouTube, but the look is I have my thing where I can straight up there. So this is Simone's Task Cooking, I guess is the name of the company. And she's doing the food at the sound system roll call.
Put them in a plastic container. Who that?
are there from 3 o'clock and
I
you
know
fuck around.
your friend I do it from Friday night.
Fuck around.
I have upscale, I have roasted fish, I have fried fish, I have
Oneness sound. Oneness sound there. Original bass of the engineer. Oneness sound.
world wake up.
So that is Oneness sound.
As soon as you come home, I've been waiting to rub you tight feet. Erase the stress and strain of the day in whichever way, oh yeah. Oh, as soon as you come home, I will greet you with a purest open arms and a love that knows no end, no pretend, understand and I will always be there. To see you fall, or even heard it all. Oh, never heard it all. Oh, yeah. Come tell me what you gave. Can I share it? What's it good? What's it bad? It's something you said. When I see it in my head, I change your hands to glad. And I will always be there. Jesus, always be understand the way that I will. place the best. Raise your hands to the one and the best and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Keep on smiling when you're mine. Come on and smile. All of your people, show your pretty teeth and smile. Your nationality, color, class, race or creed. What is to be, just have to be. It's up to your people to face reality, so survive. All of the people, show your pretty teeth and smile.
Just arrived. School of Brewery just arrived right now in the building, you know, say, serve the soul of feed it more, you know, man.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
Not yet, my little sister. Now the game has just begun. So if you wanna be that's not God bless each and every one individually. Delta Force, DJ Rounded, aka the Shoe Boss. Nobody asks about what you don't know. I see about Delta Force. Delta Force, I tell yourself, they don't know nothing much about Beverly Hills. They don't know about working for the system. They don't know about life on Miami Beach, but they can tell you about the street. Just ask them on Delta Force. We need you around and them a lot with street. When it yeah, man, it's not stuff alright, love, and we are blessed each and every one individually. Delta Force, DJ Rounded, aka the Shoe Boss. Nobody asks about what you don't know. Ask me about Delta Force. Delta Force, I tell yourself, they don't know nothing much about Beverly Hills. They don't know about working for the system. They don't know about life on Miami Beach, but they can tell you about the street. Just ask them about Delta Force. We need you around and them a lot with street. When the big can't sleep, ask them about Delta Force. You're very good, you're the Delta Force. Delta Force, Delta Force, just ask me about Jamaica. Well, life is getting harder, and if you ever come on, ask me about Jamaica. Whether policeman or soldier, no such charge for the murder. So, ask me about the I don't know. Ask me about Delta Force and champion sound. Just show you how to get the roots of flow. This is real life, even on the passing show. They don't know about only cancer Pentecost. Where they come from, the who show up with them victims. And in the ghetto, everyone is right.
Three minutes. You have 3 minutes. You have 2 more minutes? Yeah, man. Play dub, straight dub. Dub. Straight dub? Straight dub. Simple thing that. Simple thing.
Check 1, 2. Oh.
Delta Force.
Check 1, 2.
Pause the time.
Next one. Next one. Next one.
Pause the time. You didn't know yet.
Check 1, 2. Right now, we also have a segment and a fully loaded segment. You know, go down to the regular thing. So talk about Mr. Martel and makes a trumpet. Take it away, yeah. Ready? I'm sorry for a lot of people out there. Very well. Yeah, man.
Yo, see, I got some ice cream and roll and ice and flight. I stand. Yo, see, I got some ice cream and roll and ice and flight. Flying the seven. Where are you?
That was Delta Force. You know, test where test the thing.
New way.
New Year, take it away. 10 minutes.
10 minutes of dub New Year.
Don't get started.
12 then there?
Yeah.
So them thing have been at 12 come on?
No, them another 12. It's 12.
Play something else, man. Oneness in the world.
Thank you. Again, I want to say special good afternoon to all of the sound man and the sound ladies that come out. I met the one sound system roll call. Remember, it's the first and third Sunday. We really appreciate that coming out. I want to say big up the promotion and team. And big up Luxurious, full year condition place. Very nice, very cool, very classy. Inside the house this afternoon, we have 4. When I say 4, I mean 4 of South Florida. Top sound in the house tonight. We have Intensity. We have Oneness. We have Outer Palm Beach, New Wave. And also Delta Force with Martel and Mixer. Each song's gonna play for 30 minutes. And we know what it is. We are big people. Entertainment is the key. And remember, music is a mission, not a competition. Just go and support the bar, support the kitchen, find the youth, Intensity, 30 minutes, brother. Take it away.
Oh, you demo? Yeah.
Fast on the
outdoor part of the event, the food and thing. Yeah, so Rudy. I'm there. Yeah, say what? Yeah. Respect, yeah, man.
But why would you do that though and be the yard when we are discussing with Frankie
Saturday, never give me another.
Shining already. Let your
Looking for a rainbow feature.
When it come out to record, vinyl, take over to the street. Remember to that. Born Rainbow. Music like the way and Dutch of it, and tune of the play. Wanna read that's something that's like
Jack, you want me to play that camera? Jack, you have all like to play that camera. Jack, well. Yes, family.
Take a piece and 10 minutes silence.
I'm not saying you got intensity sound. Intensity!
That's
what find joy. Oneness is just a miracle, just the way you because intensity becomes.
Broken-hearted sovereign boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sovereign boy who has no double plates at all.